Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our last paycheck in February and going over our first paycheck in March. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we closed out February and then we will go into March. So for our budget from February the 28th through March the 6th, in our expense category, we budgeted $1,000 for our mortgage, $48 for our gym fee, $14.40 for Google LLC, $12.99 for Canva Pro, $12.95 for Kindle Unlimited, and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $1,080.33. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $590 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $50 for our extra backup funds, $80 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,190. In our actual category, we spent $542 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $48. $350 in our sinking funds, $100 in our savings challenges, $50 in our backup funds, $80 in our Navy Federal, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came up to $1,142, which was a difference of $48. In our income versus our expenses, we estimated our income to be $2,290.33, minus the expenses of $1,080.33, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $50, minus Navy Federal of $80, and minus our extra backup payment of $20. That left a remainder of $20. In our actual category, our income was $2,190.36, which was a difference of $99.97, minus the expenses of $1,080.33, minus the cash envelopes of $542, which was a difference of $48. Minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $50, minus Navy Federal of $80, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That left a negative balance of $31.97, which was a total negative of $51.97. It was actually not a negative because I did have the money in the account to pay for it. It's just based on my budget, it shows as a negative. In our budget from March the 7th through the 13th, in our expense category, we budgeted $196.52 for our car insurance, $71.40 for Google Fiber, $29.75 for Terminex, $16.19 for Audible, $14.16 for Google Title, $400 for our extra payment, and $400 for rollover. That came up to a total of $1,127.98. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for Navy Federal, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,695. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,852.36, minus the expenses of $1,127.98, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $40. That left a remainder of $29.38. So fam, as you can tell, we were short on our income, which left to a shortage in our budget. We did have the money in the bank, so it was no big deal. I forgot that I had put to take extra money out for my 401k, so that was going to make checks shorter. So that is where we're at on our budget. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.